this video is the best video that you may watch in this year. I will give you 4 questions that you need to answer to become the best programmer ever in 2024. I provide you an exercise file where you will answer all questions about what you can, any step that you need to put in action to become a software engineer. All that I need you to do is to watch this video until the end. There are 2 kinds of people: those who talk information and those who put information in action. So if you are watching this video, I need you to be the second kind of person that will put in action any step and any tip that I will give you in this video. There are a lot of people like you who are earning more money on all platforms about providing online service as a software engineer, and they are earning a lot of money. Just if you can watch from all reports about the minimum salary for software engineer, you will find I will show you exactly how what's the market about software engineering say about programming. I will show you the screen because I'm recording. I will not edit anything as I'm talking, because I will give you the exact way, the exact path that you need to understand exactly how to become a software engineer. There are a lot of people like you that are earning a lot of money by just providing software engineering service. So I will show you in the market what is the average salary for a software engineer, for a mobile developer, for a mobile developer, for web developer, for software engineer, a lot of a full stack developer, whatever you need. So I need you to watch this video until the end. You will get insaneful information to become one of those persons who are earning more money. Okay, average salary for software engineer. Okay, I will put all this information in the exercise files that I will make for you as you are watching this video. I made an exercise file in the description. You need just to copy this exercise file, and along this video you need to pause the video and to watch to answer all the questions that you will find on the exercise file, because it will help you to embrace the challenge about how you can become a software engineer. I made this video like the best video that I can do, because with almost 4 years of experience in software engineering and 6 years in coding, I think that I am the right person that can tell you about how you can embrace this path about to become a software engineer. It's very it can be sometimes like intimidating. It can be sometimes like you are spending your time just by learning something new, by embracing challenge, something like this. But I need to tell you that it's a new year. We are on February. Just imagine if you can put any effort that you can have to become a software engineer by learning for this year. I will give you just 1 year. You may have other preoccupation, other jobs, something like this. So you can imagine if you spend 1 hour a day, 1 hour, or just 3 hours a week to learn how to program, to learn about software engineering. I promise you that in 1 year, you can master the fundamental principle about programming. You cannot become experienced in programming, but you may get more insightful information about programming, and you can now start improving your skills, because the main thing about programming is to master the basic about semantic, about data structure. If you master this basic about programming, you can become a software engineer. So how many times it can take you, and how many years you can dedict in programming to become a good software engineer. I will answer about any question that you can have here. So I need you first of all to go to copy the exercise file that I put in my description. You can answer as we are going on this video. You can answer any question to help you get through what I'm talking about. So let's jump on our first question. I will ask you, we will answer for four questions. I will ask you for 4 questions. So those questions will help you to understand exactly why how to you can become a software engineer, and why you are you are willing to become a software engineer. So we'll answer about four questions. So the first question that I need to ask you is that, why do you need to become a programmer? Why you need to become a programmer? Because you need to start with the why. You cannot start learning something without knowing exactly why you are so motivated to learn what you are learning. You cannot start like learning how to drive a car without just knowing exactly what you intend to achieve by learning about how you can you drive you drive the car. So this is the first question that you need to answer about why. You need to find your why. Your why need to be so high that anyone or any person in the world cannot uh, take advantage about the motivation that you may have. Because if you don't have any why about why you are learning, you need to become a software engineer. You need to start your career as a software engineer. If you don't have a why, a why, you will stuck when you are facing some challenge, some difficult stuff about programming. Because I promise you, programming is not like when you start, you have just your computer and you start coding. There are a lot of challenge that you need to face in your career. So you need to be to your why needs to be so stronger than the the path. Because if you know exactly why you need to start coding, you need to become a programmer, you will find that it's very easy. It's very easy. It will be very easy, because uh, when you are embracing some challenge, you will enjoy the path. As I like to tell people that you need to take programming like a journey. It's not like programming is it's not like something that you can achieve one day. No, no, you need to take it like a journey, and you are learning while you are traveling. It's a good mindset to embrace when you start coding. So I told you that you need first to know exactly why you need to become a programmer. Your why might need to be so stronger than every time that you are facing some challenge, some difficult thing. You may just remember yourself that I have a why that is very high, than this challenge. I need to solve this challenge and to move. This is the basic step you need to put in action about how you can become a software engineer. So the second question that you need to answer is like, what are my limited beliefs about programming? You need to understand that. I made a video. I will put this video. Just like you will watch this video. This video I was talking about some myths about programming. You know, a lot of people, have some limited belief about programmer and about programming. They think that you need to be so smart, you need to be so a genius to become a software engineer. So that's why I answered to this question on my precedent video. You need to watch this video and to get the context why I'm just asking you to answer your limited belief about programming. Because if you have some limited belief about programming, you may face some challenge about, if you think that programming is so difficult, will not move when you encounter some challenge in your journey. You know, if you have some belief that programming is only for genius, you cannot start right now, because in your mind you think that programming is only for those who are so genius, so smart, so clever. No, programming is not like this. I answered all these question in my present video, when where I made I said that programming, the 5 myths about programming. You can watch this video and you will get insightful information about this limited belief about programming. So the third question that you need to answer, exactly, I need you to answer this question. This question is like, which kind of technology I need to use. So here I will tell you that when you start your career as a software engineer, there are some I can tell it like, there are some branch in programming, in programming. There we have some type of a programmer. We have mobile developer, we have web developer, and we have also full stack developer. You need first to find in which industry, in which technology that you need to use. You need to become a mobile developer or a web developer. You need to choose first, because you cannot embrace any challenge or any journey without knowing the destination. If you can take the airplane to go to another city, you need to know exactly what is the destination, the final destination. So you need first to choose in which technology you need to be. You need to be like a programmer, a mobile developer, or a web developer, or desktop or software engineer. You need first to determine in which industry that you need to be. This is the important thing also to take in account. You need first to know exactly in which industry or in which technology you need to be. And I'm very happy to tell you that I have a lot of stuff, or a lot of insightful information on my website. You can visit my website. You can visit all blog or all article that I made every day, because I publish every day about programming. I have a lot of insightful information that I can tell you in programming. So I need you also to visit my to visit my Facebook page, my TikTok accounts, my all my social media, to get insightful information about what I'm talking about. The last question that you need to I will tell you that you need to respond is which platforms provides the best courses. After reviewing that, your why, you may be wondering that you need to start coding because you need a lot of money. It's I will tell you frankly that it's not exactly the best motivation, but at least you have a why that can be so high that will motivate you when you are encounter some challenge. And the second, when you clear all your limited belief about programming, so you choose also exactly what kind of which what kind of technology or what kind of industry you need to be on. And the last question is to which platform provide the best courses. So if you choose the best platform that which provide the best courses, I provide you all platform that where you can learn anything about programming on this exercise file. I need you to copy this exercise file and to make this exercise file so like a roadmap that can help you in your journey as a software engineer. I answered any question, every question in this exercise file. You need to download this on the exercise file on a Google Doc, or you need just to copy this exercise file, and you will put all you will answer all question that I made in this exercise file that can help you to become a good and a best software engineer. So I will answer right now about how many times it can take you to become a software engineer, how many times it can take you to become a mobile developer, how many times it can take you to master all about programming. So to answer this question, I need first to tell you something. It's all depend about your schedule. If you are a student, you need to go to university, and after that you need to learn after your courses. So if you are a worker, you have a job and you need to go to work, and after that you need to learn. It may depend about your schedule, your schedule, and the adaptability. You know, it's also cost about discipline. But if I can estimate how many time that you can gain in experience in programming, is where when you start right now to learn about programming, and it can take you, I think, 3 months, 6 months, 1 years. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I need you to keep in mind that you don't need to underestimate any step that you are doing to become a programmer than just when you watch an experienced software engineer, you say that I cannot become like him. No, you need first to embrace the challenge, to start right now, to be to just after answering this question, you need to take an action. The action is to start immediately implementing what information that I gave you. I will give you all resources that can help you to become a software engineer. Just you need to download this exercise file to answer all the question that is on this exercise file, and let me know if you start, if you start right now to make to put in action anything that I told you in this video. You will change your life and become the best programmer ever. So all I need you to do is that if you find this content very insightful, I need you to just to follow me, to get more insightful information. I dedicate myself in 2024 to change life by providing best and insightful information in programming. So if just you like this video and you share this with your friend, that will help the algorithm to understand that I'm providing the best and insightful information that will suggest this video to all other people that can become also the subscribers, and that can help this community to grow. To grow and to become the best community in programming. I will provide you anything that you need.